Hi, I am Davis R Joseph, the Chief Executive Officer at ECCO Inc. We would like to join the rest of the world in commemorating World Intellectual Property Day, which is on April 26th. In order for music composers and authors to benefit from their hard work, we need a vibrant industry that rewards them for their creativity. They also need the proper infrastructure and policies that allow them to generate and thrive from their hard work. We need enthusiastic music users, and by music users I refer to hotels, restaurants, bars, broadcasters, television stations, radio stations, etc. We need more than just erratic or occasional compliance. We need them to join us in creating a vibrant music industry. Please join us in bringing due attention to music copyright and the whole gamut of intellectual property.